We are back inside last year's range with a high that looks like it's going to hold for a while. Quite a distance off of the close of the highs of last week. Yesterday was a bearish engulfing day, breaking the overnight high and the overnight low and the previous high day and the previous low of day. Pretty incredible move, and yet still inside of the 10-day average daily range of 16.6. I think we ended with 14 points. The net delta for the last 2 days was positive, not by a little. Now that we're testing the developing lower KLVN of the weekly, I think we're likely to run into some support. Quite possibly we'll see buyers step up at 77. Structure, we're looking at a 2-day structure. The overnight is already showing a move out and lower, and due to the point of control being low in the profile, this is not expected. Yesterday's profile is multimodal, with the point of control having shifted all the way to the bottom mode. Lower price exploration expected happened in the overnight. The overnight profiles bounced with a neutral point of control right at the lows of yesterday and a little bit outside, having explored the lower side of that. Weekly, we're testing the developing lower KLVN, so expected behavior is a test up to the point of control and continuation lower. The overnight will decide a lot, is my guess, as to how the next couple of days will play out. I think buyers have actually kind of stepped up. That's the early read, since it's higher, it's at the top end of average for volume, and the range is low, and we haven't extended very much in the low side. Current price weekly point of control is at 85.6. Yesterday's point of control is essentially in the same place. We are opening in the lower KLVN, so the expected action is a failure lower, test the bottom of the range, or push back to the point of control, and then if that breaks, then testing the upper KLVN. 77 is the big target below, perhaps 74, 67 if that fails. Above us, 87, 91, and 97. So staying below 85, 84 is a nice over-under for us, because if we get above that with an impulse, then we're moving back into value, into range, and we're likely to continue to do that until we find sellers who can sort of rotate the market. And in a normal day short scenario, we're going to be below 85, 84. We're going to break the overnight low. We're going to continue. We're going to test 77. If buyers can't reverse us, then we're probably going to traverse the range from the 14th and the 15th, at least a little bit, to see how that goes. Long would be something where we're looking to get above 85 before we get long, for sure. Or if we see an impulse and developing point of control, something we can test into 85, but that would be a significant location from the low side. That is it for RTY today.